There is, I just heard him. Wait, I'll tell you a bit of laugh. We set it up, you've lit the thing, and it's a bar lamp, and you've got a bar lamp running around all on fire. I'd have to go, squirrel.
Anyway, this is take two.
Take two.
This is John. John was second engineer on this project.
Excuse me, can't we start that again? I was Thursday. I was second engineer on this project.
Right,
this
so
is a Sandvik
this is a Sandvik style
double-barrelled crossbow that we've made out of an old pallet.
Yes.
And two old saw blades.
And what we're going to do now is test it over the fields, see if we can cause some kind of mayhem and mischief. And it's
with a lighted arrow.
with a
Lighted
basically we're laying siege to our next door neighbours.
Right, light the bolt. Bernie, the bolt.
No, we can't burn the bolt here. We've got to burn the bolt out there.
Right, light the bolt. Let's go.
Who's got a lighter?
Well, by this time we're being molded.
I know. This we take 5.
Right, with a big axes in us, and I'll go, it's your fault, you had a fucking lighter. Right, I ain't got the light, I've lost the light.
Hold on. I've got the lighter.
Right, he's got the lighter, it's all on again.
Okay, we're back on.
Come out here, Dad.
Well, notice he's firing the fucker.
There's 3 there, though.
Right.
What way? Go.
Just head towards the field.
Quick, because it's raining now.
I know.
Bernie, light the fucking bolt.
Hold that.
Where? Like that. Quick.
Right, we're off.
Hold it, the thing's come out to blow up. Here we go.
Fuck me.
Good though.
That's bollocks.
Fucking hell, that went quite good.
Wait. First areas. Right, what's your first thoughts?
Well, firstly, I thought it's gone a little bit further than I thought. There weren't enough Vaseline on the
How
arrow.
far did that go?
50 foot.
Yeah, fucking easy.
Yeah, good 50 foot.
Alright, boys. We'll be back again. We're going to try it with a full sheep's head. Ta-da.